Hello internet friends, in this video I continue riveting the right wing leading edge. What you see me doing right now is there's a splice strip, that's the actual name of it, that connects the probably the fairing to the wing root, to the fuselage. Anyway, that rivets onto the skin and in between the skin and the rib. But since it's on the edge, I can use a squeezer. I don't have to use the rivet gun. And that's my preferred method whenever it's possible, is to use a squeezer, just because it makes it's easy, hard to slip. Well, I guess you could slip and smash something you don't want to smash, so you still got to be careful with it, but pretty easy to use. And then I'm just using a number 40 reamer to basically match drill the holes. So yeah. Then after this, I think I'll be changing the orientation to finish riveting together the rivets on the nose. They're very hard to get in the vertical orientation because you can't get the gun at the right angle. Let's see, what else? No more news yet about my engine other than it's shipping, so that should be here this week. So hopefully I can get some progress. I have one trip this week, and then I have a big trip the next week. So next week I'm definitely not going to make any progress at all. Let's see, then I'm home for a week, and then I'm gone for another week. So yeah, the travel makes it hard to make progress. And we've had a whole weekend of football and other kid stuff, so I will do my best. I am more motivated than ever, I would say, with the news that my engine is coming. That was the last piece of kit, really, and the most expensive, that kind of makes it into a real airplane and not just a hunk of metal. But until I get it all together, it's all just hunks of metal in my garage. So here we go. And you can see here why it was challenging to rivet in the vertical orientation. You just have to be able to get the gun at the right angle. I think on the next one I still might play with the air pressure regulator on the gun, see if I can get it even lower. I was pretty happy with all the rivets I had except for one, which is fine. There's an acceptable limit of bad rivets you can do, and one's probably within that tolerance. But you will never be able to tell where it is, so don't worry about it. Yeah, I can't wait for this to be finished, then get the fuel tanks built, build a wing stand, put the wings together, and then if I could get the wings on the stand and all finished, and then I could take that out to the hangar, I'd have more space in the garage to finish the fuselage, which I hope goes together pretty quickly, because that's all I need to do to finish before I can put the engine on, and then start building avionics and all of that stuff. So anyway, if you are also dealing with all that, come join our chat groups. Scan the QR codes and you will get the invites, and I will see you there and see you in the next video.